Hello, this is Colin Wood in my Skoolie here, and I'm taking Vanlife on the road again here up across the North Cascade Highway to Winthrop, Washington. This is the first week I've had a chance to get over the pass. It's only been open for 1 week, and so it's really exciting to finally be able to get out there and do some exploring. I didn't get much of a chance to actually record going up the mountains because it's a tight winding road, and with the rain it was a handful just dealing with the driving. Well, we made it to the campground. I'm just north of Winthrop, pretty much out in the middle of nowhere next to a river, which I can actually barely see from my campground, and this is really nice. This is probably one of the nicest places I stayed. I really like it out here. well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.